Hello, it's Mike with MatterFix.io. Today I'm doing a quick little video to talk about lights mounted on the Pro2 and the Pro3 camera. We get quite a few questions about what do you use or what's the solution for scanning in dark areas. And there's a number of things out on the market that I've seen, even some custom lights that you can fit around the camera and that. But in our experience, the best, cheapest, most effective solution, most practical solution has been these Sputnik dive lights. You can purchase them on Amazon. I think they're 40 bucks a piece. They're rechargeable, durable. They come with the GoPro mount on the bottom of them already. They have different brightness levels, but they're pretty darn bright, and two of them seem to be fine for lighting up a space for most any scanning application. I mean, most of the time when you're going to put lights on and scan, you're not doing it necessarily for a virtual tour, but you're lighting up an area so that people can see it, whether it's fire, damage, restoration work, or scanning a vacant building for an architect or something like that. That's when you're typically going to use the lights. And like I said, we found these work best. You can get these on Amazon, and it's Sputnik. It's S-P-U-T-I-G, like $40 a piece. And like I said, they have the GoPro bases on them. So also on Amazon, you can buy these GoPro clips. Now they have two versions of this clip. One of them is curved to put on a helmet or something. You don't want that one. You want the flat one. But most of the times you end up having to buy sets that have like 4 of the curved and 4 of the flat ones. So just make sure you have the flat ones when you need to use them. Now, as far as mounting them goes, on the Pro3 camera, we feel like putting the GoPro clips, attaching them at the bottom of the case here, oriented so that they're kind of level, parallel with the plane where the RGB sensor is looking out. And when you put them on, obviously you're going to put one on each side. You put them on, and so they're pointing that direction. We tilt them back about 10 or 15 degrees. You may want to play with that. And that makes a wide enough pattern of light that it basically lights up all the area that the image sensor is capturing. So that's the setup that we use on the Pro 3s. And then on the Pro 2s, essentially it's the same two lights, just mounted differently. So what we'll do on a Pro 2 camera is we'll put them maybe 15 or 20 degrees, instead of facing straight forward, put them on the top near the front about a ½ inch, face them about 20 degrees off of center on each side. And then when you put the lights in here and here, so with them tilted out like that, that's going to give you, again, that pattern of lighting that's going to light up the area that the image sensor is capturing. And then you can tilt them slightly if you feel like you need to. You might want to tilt them slightly down. I think that's what we do, so that it casts the light there, and then you're going to have plenty of light coming up here. You can play with it. But that has worked out real well for us. Like I said, there's a bunch of other lights out there. You can spend a lot of money or maybe a little on some, but this has been the most effective solution for us, cost-wise, practicality, ease of mount, and actually working good. Okay, so that's our take on the lights. At MatterFix, we're here to help you. Any issues you have with your Matterport cameras, repairs, rentals, sales, contact us message us on Facebook, contact us through our website. We have a toll-free number there if you got an emergency and you need help with something. But we look forward to doing business with you. Thanks.